Hi everyone, Debalina again, and thank you for coming back today. It means a lot that you are choosing to show up for yourself, even if it's just for a few minutes, but you are coming. And every time you return to this practice, you are strengthening a new, healthier pattern inside your mind and body. So take a moment and appreciate yourself for being here, and remember to connect with me if you need any help during any part of the meditation. So let's begin today's session. So today's session is all about relaxation and stress release. Now, before we begin the meditation, I want to help you to understand what actually happens inside your mind and body when you relax consciously. Stress is not just an emotion, it's a psychological state. When your body goes into stress mode, especially in the distress part, your nervous system shifts into fight or flight. Your heart rate increases. You might have noticed that your breathing becomes more shallow. Your muscle stay tight. You might have noticed something inside your body, right, when you get stressed. And your brain gets flooded with cortisol and adrenaline. If this state continues for too long, your mind stops feeling clear. Your decision becomes reactive, and your body starts holding the tension without even realizing it. Relaxation is just the opposite state. When you consciously guide yourself into relaxation, your brain, especially the brain waves, is slowed down from highly active gamma or beta state into alpha. Your nervous system switches into that fight or flight to rest and heal mode. Your body starts releasing tensions, and your breath deepens, and your emotional brain begins to settle. This is why relaxation is not just a luxury, at least I feel so. It is a biological need. We all need that. And relaxation is not only about lying down on your couch and scrolling the mobile phone. Conscious relaxation, relaxing every part of your body. When you relax, your body repairs, your mind resets, your emotions balance themselves. And in the Silva Method, we have an entire chapter dedicated to understanding stress and relaxation in depth. And we also practice the long relaxation exercise. This is such a beautiful and deep technique that trains your mind to enter into that healing state effortlessly. So if you have ever feel that you want to explore more of this deeply, then this chapter will help you to understand the science and the practice at much richer level. Let me know if you need any help in this specific thing. Now for today, think of this session as a gentle reset. Now for the next few minutes, you will allow your shoulders to drop. You will allow your breath to slow down, your mind to unwind, and your stress that has been held in your body for days or for weeks or even maybe for years, now you are finally going to lose and release it. All you need to do is follow my guidance and let your body do what it naturally knows how to do. So, relax, heal, reset, and let's begin.